as you keep on uploading out videos onto your YouTube channel, you'll have a lot of them. And it'll be easier if you can go around and utilize the content page then to filter out different videos and manage them from that place as well. So let's go around onto the content page right here. In the content page, you see all of the videos that is uploaded. The ones that are public right here is shown right here, as you can see. And the one that is saved as draft just pops up right here, as you can see, just like this. And in this section, you can see the title of the video right here. You can see the visibility of the video. So you can see that 3 are public and rest are in draft mode. And if there are any restrictions like copyright claims and so forth, then it'll show up in the restriction section as well. And if there's any video that is not suitable for like viewing of viewing for younger people, like under the 18 of age, then it'll show up right here as well. And you can even see the date of upload right here, as you can see, just like this. So over here, this is the content page, and when you have a lot more videos, then you might want to filter out the videos according to how you want as well. So for that, you can see filter is an option, and in filter, you can go around and filter out the videos by age restriction, copyright claims, as you can see. But in my case, I don't have anything, but you can go around on to description section right here. And let's say in the description, I want the word example to pop up. So I'm just going to go around, press apply, and all the videos with the word example gets filtered out and gets shown right here, as you can see. Let me just close this right here so that I get back all of the video results again. And then over here in filter, you can go around over here on to, let's say, for example, title. So now let's say I want all of the videos with the word example in it. You can go around, press apply, and then this is what you have. You can also go around and add in multiple filters right here. So let's say I want all the videos with views more than the value of 2 and press apply. Then what happens is that it filters out the videos containing the title example and that has more than or equal to views right here, just like this. So you can add in multiple filters over here, just like this as well. So over here you can see that you can filter it out by title, by visibility, by made for kids over here if you have that, based on description, copyright claims, and age restriction, as you can see right here. So if you have any lives, then it'll show up over here in the live stream section as well, besides the regular uploaded videos. And over here on the bottom, you can also choose like how many videos you want to view per page. So if you just want 10, then you can do 10 and it'll only show up 10 videos. But if you were to go around and select 50, then it'll show up 50 videos there. And that is how you can go around and filter out videos from content page inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.